Hello guys, welcome to this video. And what I want to do is I want to show you how you can actually make money using the OwoDaily platform. This is a Nigerian platform. So what is OwoDaily? So OwoDaily is a digital jobs community where the members get access to multiple streams of income online in Nigeria. So what are the possibilities and how can you actually make money with this platform? So there are basically two major ways. But let's go to the first one. The first one is you can actually make money by completing any jobs on the platform, and the jobs are updated daily. It's an open platform, and then you also get paid. This is the best part. You also get paid 1,600 naira for every newly verified referral, and an additional 200 naira if your referral makes a successful referral. If you can refer just 3 people every day, you can easily make up to 150,000 naira per month. So before you go ahead and sign up, I want to show you some benefits of actually joining my team, becoming a referral under me. So let me take a moment. So just want to show you some benefits that you get if you actually subscribe under me. I'm going to put my affiliate link, my WhatsApp and email also for the bonuses that you'll be getting. So what is this? If you actually join our team here, this is what you get. First of all, you get the free ebook, which is how to recruit and get referrals. I want to show serious persons how to get at least 50 new recruits in the next 30 days without talking to anybody. You also, once you join our team, you have access to the necessary group where you meet serious minded people that are making it big in this business. Our goal is to make sure every member makes money, and we need to work together to make it happen. We are also going to show you the best places to get people that will join this business, that will join your own OwoDaily business. We will make sure you achieve your goals, unless if you don't want to make money, and a lot more that we can't reveal here. So below this video, I'm going to put the link for you to register and become a member using this link and get all these bonuses. So once you click on the register button, once you click on the link below this video, it will take you to this page where you have to register. All you have to do is put your full name, username, email address, password, mobile number. These are standard. So those asking how do you get paid? You get paid by your bank account. Get paid, your money get paid to your bank account in Nigeria. You don't need any PayPal, any of those complicated process. And it actually has a membership fee of 3,000 naira, which are required to pay after you sign up. Immediately you have to activate the membership fee. So let me log in now and actually show you. What the platform is like, what those jobs are like. So just input your email and password. You log in. For those of you, I actually usually get a lot of messages, people asking me what business do I have to. I don't have any skill. I'm not good at coding. I don't know any video editing skill, Excel, graphic design. I don't have any of those skills. I can't write any ebook. What do? Join this platform. These are the kind of jobs that are on this platform. If you think you need any complicated skill to do this, you don't. Look at this job. Comment on my most recent post on Instagram. Comment on Runtime News Song. Follow account on Instagram. Follow, like, do you know this skill? No. As long as you have a phone, I'm actually logging using my phone now to show you that you can do this without any computer anything. You can do this with your phone. You don't need. Look at this jobs, for goodness sake. Invite friends and claim 250 naira gift card. Like, these are all simple things that you can do. Anybody can do. Look, you don't actually need any device. You don't actually need any skill. You don't need skill to actually follow somebody on Instagram. No. All you need is if you have a phone that can log in to the internet, any kind of phone will work. So if you just see the job, you just apply. Once you apply, you just come here, you do the job, and then you fill in. You come below, you fill in the details, enter your proof below after completing the job successfully. You just hit the proof that you have completed the job. Usually they ask for username, your Facebook username or your Instagram username if it's like or follow on Instagram, and that's all you need to do. You hit the submit, and that's all you need to do, guys. So what I want you to do is I want you to actually click the link below and you get paid. So all you need to do, guys, like I told you before, is just you sign up, you pay your activation fee, and then you get paid 1,600 naira for every newly verified referral and additional 200 if your referral makes a successful referral. So again, once you sign up using my link, you just send me an email, which I will leave below this video. You send me an email that I'm going to leave below this video. So once you get the once you do that, you send me the email after you have joined, and I'm going to give you the free ebook, which is how to recruit and get referrals, where I show you how to get 50 new recruits in the next 30 days without talking to anybody, and also other bonuses that I'm going to be giving you. So don't do this mistake, guys, and go and join and then you message me later without joining through this link, and then you message me and start asking me for the ebook. I have a lot of people that have done that and they don't, and nope, I'm not going to give them. Or you go and sign up on your own and you don't know how to actually get referrals, and actually, because there are some tips and tactics that I'm going to show you about how to increase your earnings on this platform, because there are other things that you can do apart from these jobs that you can do to increase your points, and those points that you can use to actually increase your earnings that I'm going to be showing you, understand? So guys, I want you to sign up now. The potential is limitless. Like I said before, if you can recruit only just 3 people, if you can recruit just if you can recruit just 3 people per day, that is going to be 150,000 naira per month that you get just by recruiting 3 people. And if you are serious, you can actually make at least 10,000 naira daily in this business if you are serious. So if you're serious, like I said, you can make at least 10,000 naira in this business. So I just want you to look at the description below this video and then click it. Once you click it, you sign up. And then once you sign up, you just message me and I'll give you all the bonuses. My phone number will be below this video. My email will also be below this video, and the link to also register will be below this video. Once you do that, sign up, and guys, you are going to love this. It's easy to do. It's just 3,000 naira to activate your account, and you get paid constantly every day. So I really hope you get started with this. I'll see you on the other side.